Here we have the current stock market update for MAXEON Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Before we begin with this chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So as you can see here, we have a 45-minute price chart. Each candle on this price chart represents a 45-minute trading period. And as we can see here, share prices have now started to fall once again after reaching highs near 10.6 cents per share. So previously, what we were looking at really for this stock was this sort of resistance area, as it did coincide quite strongly with the 200 period exponential moving average on this time frame. So as we can see here, this is this blue line here. And as we can see, share prices ran right into that line after breaking some resistance levels and then started to fall quite sharply. In addition to that, what we have been seeing here more recently has been a price gap to the downside, and the share price itself is now starting to flatline at very low levels here. So I was looking through the YouTube platform today, and I was looking at what how this stock was being covered by other people that are in this niche, this financial part of the platform here, and I saw several examples of people that were suggesting that this stock was ready to rocket higher, explode higher, things like that. And then I look at the price chart itself, and I really don't see anything that resembles this in any way. If we sort of move out on the price chart a bit here, we can see that there was some upside activity previously. This is all price movement that we covered on this channel here. We did see a bit of a rally from right around 11 cents per share to around 23 cents per share. And to be fair, that is a very strong rally in percentage terms. It might not necessarily be a strong rally in dollar terms, but you're looking at a gain here of over 100% in a very short period of time. Essentially, this would have occurred from the August 16 trading session, and then we would have reached highs on the Monday, August 19 trading session. So you're really just talking about 2 trading sessions there, even though there is a weekend in between there. So to see 100% gain in a very short period of time like that, I guess on the surface, you could understand how people would be excited about something like that. But when you start to see financial YouTubers or people that claim to be financial YouTubers, suggesting that the stock is ready to just rocket higher, those claims become much more suspicious when it can be seen that the share price quickly reverses all of those gains. On the following trading session, this would be the Tuesday trading session here. Most of those gains were given back. We were seeing roughly 75% of that prior rally being lost. And then, we did see a little bit of upside price movement, but then once again, a major crash. So, we can see how this really unfolds here with these people that post these idiotic videos. They just do not know what they're doing. We see share prices move into these upper regions like this. And then, you might start to see share prices trade around 20 cents per share. There's a lot of excitement at that point. People are starting to release videos. This stock is going to the moon. You'll buy this stock and you'll be a millionaire. That's another common one. Just really ridiculous information, because what you're really seeing happen here is that people will start to buy into that excitement. Buy in at these upper levels around 20 cents per share or something like that. And now look where things are. We're trading right back around 7.5 cents per share. We're trading under 8 cents per share at this point. So, how easy is it to get sucked up, caught up in this optimism here, with share prices trading above 20 cents? It's very easy to do that. And it's not surprising at all to see something like that happen. And then what is the result? The result is massive losses in the position. So, this is why we, did open up the members only section of the channel. This is the part of the channel where you can see live market trades. This is not just instruction necessarily. There is a lot of instruction about how to trade the market, but these are real stock trades. These are, entry points, stop losses, which stocks to buy, which stocks to stay away from, and things like that. And those stocks are performing extremely well. They do not look like this. They do not have stock charts that just look horrendous, horrifying like this. This is a terrifying stock chart here. This is just a lot of money being lost. This is a lot of people being sucked into positions through ridiculous excitement. People on YouTube, claiming to know what they're talking about when they have no clue what they're doing. and they're saying buy this stock, it'll make you a millionaire. I mean, it's clickbait. That's all it is. So, what we're seeing currently is a share price action that has moved back below 8 cents per share. This is a very significant prior low, as we can see here. Share prices have been trading in this territory before, but the bounces are becoming smaller and smaller. So if that trend on its own just continues, we could start to flatline here, see a movement into 10 cents per share, see a new low, perhaps around 5 cents per share, then maybe see a bounce back into, 7 cents again, something like that. I mean, the problem with these price movements is that it is so difficult. It's essentially impossible to be catching the tops and the bottoms, because when these things happen, these are completely random events. They're not based on, an earnings report or some fundamental news release or something like that. These are just completely random price movements where there might be a little bit of a pump. There might be some injection of capital that's put into the stock for the short term, but then that quickly reverses itself. I mean, these price movements really don't mean anything. If you can see 100% price movement in one day and then it reverses completely the following day, if you lose 75% of those losses the following day, I mean, how can this stock be trusted? How can you view this stock as a suitable, asset to buy if you're going to see these types of price movements here? So, I really do suggest that people stay away from stocks like this. There are better names to be looking at. There are better stocks to be looking at, stable stocks that still have the potential to, move higher by 75% or even over 100%. But the stock selection has to be done, in a much more intelligent way. It cannot be done the way that this is done, which is where I think a lot of these people are really just sort of looking at the major stock movers on a day, and if they see, whoa, the stock moved 15% today, I'm going to make a video about it, and I'm going to tell everybody that they can get rich if they buy this stock, and then the next day the thing completely collapses, and everybody that bought in at these elevated levels, and they're just losing all this money at this point. So it really doesn't need to be this way. There are plenty of better options, but people do need to pay attention to stock traders that actually have a track record of success. So here's the current stock market update for MAXEON Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Our high-value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high-conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk-to-reward metrics that target massive, market-beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.